Learn English speaking through Hindi. हिंदी के माध्यम से अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखें. I have to plus verb. You would use have to describe something that needs to take place soon. It expresses certainty, necessity or obligation. I have to plus क्रिया. आप have to का उपयोग किसी ऐसी चीज का वर्णन करने के लिए करेंगे जो जल्द ही होनी है. यह निश्चितता, आवश्यकता या दायित्व को व्यक्त करता है. Listen and repeat the sentences. वाक्यों को सुनें और दोहराएं. I have to clean my room. I have to go. I have to complain to the police. I have to use the bathroom. I have to admit it. I have to work 9 to 5 every day. I have to go to the doctor. I have to pay rent. I have to work late. I have to get up early tomorrow. I have to leave early. I have to be careful. I have to wear glasses to read. I have to travel a lot in my job. I have to apologize. I have to pay the fine. I have to turn left. I have to prepare myself for any situation. I have to work this Sunday. I don't have to go to school on Sunday.